Ridiculously large flocks of birds are flying over the house right now. I'm going to try to catch them on film. You can hear the wind from their wings in the distance. It's amazing. There's a pretty good size one. Oh, and look, there's more. Oh my god. I mean, they go on and on. I don't know if you just heard that wind, but that was from that flock. And here's another huge flock. Looks like a big swarm are coming now. Oh god, there's another huge swarm meeting with them. Oh my. Look at that. That is crazy. Can you hear it? Oh my god. I can feel the wind. Wow. And the scale of this is just amazing. It's crazy how much I can feel the breeze when they fly over. It's like an Alfred Hitchcock movie. There's a huge flock over there. Man, that is huge. It's really far away, and I can plainly see it. I'm gonna stop at 5 minutes and make another one. I can't believe I haven't been shit on.